And today, I'm learning tap dancing. But I'm thinking about lunch.
We have the cookie crumbs. Yay, crumbs!
Sweetness! All that panickin's worked me up an appetite.
We cannot eat them all at once. We ration, yes?
Whew. How about tossing me some grub, Bub?
The food, she is in my land, and she is not for you.
But I'm hungry!
Ooh.
Woo! Go, Audrey!
Oh no, black licorice flavor.
Yes!
I hear 16 Camels 2 Hump Day has an even higher swoon-to-cry ratio.
Oh, they made more? That was a mushy potato fest drowning in lame gravy. Anyone else hungry?
Is your heart made of graphene? I'm hungry. Can you see any food? So there isn't anything to eat. We're almost there. Grandma's noodles, they're near. I'm really hungry. No!
Well, that was a bust. Whoa! Was that a motorcycle? Just kidding. You're obviously still hungry. Let's go back and get those chips.
But the sign said the mess hall is closed.
We can just sneak in and round back.
Hungry!
Ooh, I'm feeling a little peckish myself.
Only around for 5 days? Hiya, Delmare. Pretty sure there's a rule against tummies ringing in. I'm just guessing, but is it Zap apples? Finally! Yes, Fluttershy, it is. Or at least some pony here knows her apples.
Ooh, cartoons!
No, sappy romantic comedy.
Oh, I don't even clean up my own room.
So much kissing!
Time to break out of this joint.